Hi, welcome back to Blockchain Thunder. This is Chewy. I haven't come into this channel and do a video because I've been really busy lately. But in the last several days, I see some really dangerous signal on Bitcoin chart. So this is why I come in here to do an emergency video. So let's dive right into it. The first thing is this is Bitcoin weekly chart, and we have a RSI here. So usually when Bitcoin price is plunging, when it's going down, I can plot a trend line like this. This trend line acts as resistance first. So we touch it first several times, and then we break to the upside and come back and retesting it, and then it keep going up ever since. This is a very good, very bullish pattern. On the contrary, this line act as a support. So we go up here and we touch it once, and now touch it twice, and we touch it third time, and then we break to the downside. This is not a good sign. Normally when we break into downside, we usually will come back and retesting it. And right now we are retesting it. So you can see that the price is going up a little bit, and we are retesting this line. Sometimes the RSI can even go up to the upside like this, but this is even more dangerous. Just like this one, sometimes the RSI can go down to the downside of this trend line, and this is my favorite buying opportunity, where I normally will buy it a lot when it breaks to the downside like this. On the contrary, if the RSI break this line back to the upside, this will be my favorite selling opportunity. So this is even more dangerous than this one. So there will be two scenarios in the next couple of weeks. The first one is we plunge directly from here. The second one is the RSI go back up here and then go down. And no matter which way it goes, they are both dangerous. And we all know that the United States government just sent out a lot of free money, 1,400 for each person. This money, a lot of them will be used to buy Bitcoin and stock. This is not a good thing. Usually, normal people, they are what we call not the smart money. The smart money is always from the institution. They have more experience and a lot more experts. So when they see a lot of not smart money go into the market, they usually will be pushing the price up a little bit, and then they're starting to sell. So I think this is really dangerous, and this is the first dangerous signal. And the second dangerous signal, let me remove this line, is the RSI divergence on the weekly. If you look at the price carefully, you can see that the price is going up, but the RSI is going down. This is not a good sign. This is a second dangerous signal. Normally, even in the 2017, you can see that the RSI usually go back to test the 50 level. So it always go back down to this level, go back down to this level here. But right now, we haven't touched this level for quite some time. It's pretty long time. So this is a second dangerous signal, the RSI divergence. Usually, it will come back down here. So this could be a really dangerous. The third one is the BitMEX index funding. So even in 2017, you can see that the price in during this period of rapid going up, the price, the BitMEX index funding usually will have negative bars. Like in this period, we have the negative bars, and this period we have negative bars, and this period we have negative bar. Even in here, we still have negative bars. If you look at this here, ever since we break the 15,000. Actually, ever since we break the 13,000, the BitMEX index funding has been negative, have been positive forever. It never come back down to the negative bar. And this is another dangerous signal. Usually, when the BitMEX index funding is negative, it's the great time to accumulate. But when it's positive, it's a great time to sell it. And combining with the RSI divergence and the break trend line, I think this is the best chance to sell part of your position and retain your buying power just in case this pullback really plays out. And I think this pullback, this weekly pullback, could bring the Bitcoin price back to about at least $35,000 or even close to $40,000. And this drop could be about 40% to 50%. So if it goes 40%, that would bring the price to about 36,000. And if it goes to 50%, it will bring the price back down to about $30,000. So this could be really dangerous in the foreseeable future. And this is why I come up here and do an emergency video. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my personal opinion. Please don't ignore this dangers on the chart and really be careful when you try to long Bitcoin right here. And when Bitcoin, the price is plunging, usually all the other cryptocurrencies will plunge with Bitcoin. For example, the Ethereum is in the same shoe. If you look at it, this trend line, it has break it to the downside and right now it's retesting it. This is a really dangerous signal for Ethereum. So please really be careful when you try to long Bitcoin or long any other cryptocurrencies right now. And this is my short update for the cryptocurrency world. My name is Chui. This is your trading investing channel, Blockchain Thunder. Thank you guys so much to come back to the channel. I wish you guys have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.